welcome back to Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live from here in Boise, Idaho. Today our topic will be answering the question of when you should do an SEO audit. Here are just a few signs that might mean that you need an SEO audit done. First, you aren't getting a lot of traffic to your site and it's more than a year old. Second, you don't see your website appearing on Google when you look for it. Third, your rankings are well below all of your competitors. And finally, you're planning on revamping your whole existing website. For more information on SEO and how to redesign your website, make sure you check out all of our social media platforms and go check out our website, getsocialized.com. Thank you.